So we woke up at perfect day at CocoCay. There was a nice parade to welcome us in. We ate at the Windjammer, and now we have a wonderful view of a ton of Royal Caribbean's cruise ships. Like, the whole fleet is here. That's an exaggeration, but there's a lot of cruise ships here.
You can definitely tell, like this one's an Oasis class.
Wow, yeah, look at its butt.
Neither of us have been to CocoCay before, and I have, on purpose, I have avoided all videos and photos of CocoCay, so it's a total surprise for me. So I'm excited. We made it off the ship. Looks like there's a lot of other small islands around CocoCay.
Yeah.
And CocoCay is actually smaller than I thought it would be. Because you can see around the whole thing. When we were at Windjammer, we could see the whole entire island from there.
But it's beautiful. Okay, in the song, they say at CocoCay.
Instead of key?
Yeah. So they wrote the song wrong.
Look at the welcome back sculpture.
That's cute.
The rain didn't destroy it, so that's good. Whoa. And there's the ship over there.
Wow. And there's the balloon we're going on later.
Yep.
Hopefully.
This is cool. This is the ocean.
Yeah, look, it comes right through.
We're the first people on this beach. And we're the first guests on CocoCay in 15 months. One of the first guests. Which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
And you have your flow rider injury, which is also sad.
I don't think the flow rider's for me.
We actually had some heavy rain and lightning earlier, but I think it's clearing up now. Because this way looks nicer. So I think now we're gonna go check out the pool.
Let's do it. And just explore more of the island in general.
Yeah, and we have kayaking later.
11:15.
If that happens.
Yeah, it says like to be determined or the meeting, check back later.
The island has chickens on it, which is funny because I want that chicken sandwich.
I was gonna say, not just in chicken sandwich form, also live chickens.
This is Oasis Lagoon. It looks amazing.
It looks like it should be the one that you have to pay for.
Yeah, it does.
Look at these chairs.
Yeah, this is cool. This pool is massive. They got a swim up bar over there. Not that we'll be really using it.
Can we walk across this bridge even though I don't even know if we need to, but I want to?
Yeah. This place is empty. Our ship is already empty as it is, and now
we have the entire island to spread out on.
yeah. I think this island is built for 2 Oasis class ships, and we're on a Voyager class with 25% capacity.
Right. And it's just one ship.
They have soccer pool.
You're about to see just how bad I am at soccer. I suck. Oh, you scratched.
Okay, time to check out the snack shack and this famous chicken sandwich. We got the fries, mozzarella sticks, we got a browning, we got the famous chicken sandwich, and they were so excited to see me. They were so happy. I was their first customer in 15 months.
From the snack shack.
Yeah. Well, it started pouring, and everyone flocked under here. But
Chill Island Grill?
I think so. But it will stop soon. I think. Hopefully our excursions aren't canceled.
We just got out of Oasis Lagoon, the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean.
We did have a kayak excursion scheduled today, but that was canceled because of the weather. So instead we were hanging around here. Check this guy out. We have a great spot for our lunch. This is actually my second lunch.
Tacos, part 2.
Tacos. This is actually part 1 of my lunch. Of my second lunch. But this is a cool spot.
Yeah, beautiful. So poor Brian got his taco stolen by a seagull who just tried to steal this piece. So this is probably ruined,
Yeah.
even though mine is delicious. And then he came back and got this.
Good thing I got this. This is some sort of ribeye cheesesteak thing. So we've been just walking around the island here, taking it easy. Hopefully we can go on this balloon here. We're worried the weather might have closed it. Okay, I almost can't believe it, but they're gonna let us ride. We're probably gonna be the only ones on there.
It seems like it.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Good.
But it's fun that it's private.
Yeah. The weather got really nice.
Doesn't seem too windy.
So this one is just like the Disney Springs one. But I think this one will be a cooler view.
Yeah.
And you've never done that one.
I've never done it. But I like that it's tethered, so you know you're less likely to die.
Unless it snaps and then we just keep going up and up. Here we go. I'm actually kind of scared.
This is funky.
Wow.
This is crazy. You can see like where they live.
Oh yeah, that's where they live. Wow. There's the Oasis Lagoon pool that we were in. What's that island over there?
Okay, that's NCL Island. It's also known as Big Stirrup Key. That is Norwegian Cruise Line private destination.
Wow, okay.
Similar setup as us, but ours is better, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This is cool.
Look, we can check out the fancy beach that you have to pay for.
Oh yeah, this is a sneak peek into the beach club. This is really cool.
It is.
This one's worth it.
Yeah.
Do you feel sick?
Survived. No, I don't feel sick. It's very wobbly.
So I think that was actually really cool.
I thought it was a little scary, but it was really cool.
It moved around a lot.
Yeah, that was the hard part. It was just like wobbly.
Very wobbly.
I didn't even like feel like I was gonna fall out or anything. It just felt scary to walk around.
But I think it was well worth it.
So cool, such a great view.
To get photos from there, and it's an amazing view.
And he told us a bunch of information about this island and neighboring islands, so it was just like cool information to get.
Yeah, he was saying that those buildings is like 500 people live there.
And it was private, it was just the two of us.
Yeah, that was cool. The weather turned out to be amazing today, but we are heading back to the ship now. We will be here tomorrow though. We have 2 days in a row here. And tomorrow we will be at the water park first thing in the morning. And I'm excited about that. We have been just hanging around the pool deck, going in the hot tub, and tonight is formal night, so we're gonna skip that and go to Johnny Rockets now. Because I don't want to dress up. I think we should eat outside so we can watch us sail away.
Sounds good.
Okay, cool. So we're looking out at CocoCay, and right next to it is Norwegian's private island, and I can't believe how close they are.
And it looks lame. Oh my god, Royals. Okay, question. Is dipping French fries in ice cream okay? Yes or no? Because I think yes. Grilled chicken sandwich.
We both got chicken. So we're sailing away now. You know, it's weird because we're here tomorrow. So we were thinking, like, why are we not just like staying here overnight? And we thought it would be because like so they can open up the casinos at night. But we were just down there and it was open like while we were docked. So who knows why? But
what I know is that the apple pie here at Johnny Rockets is superb.
As the ship headed out to sea just to turn around and head back again in the morning, we headed to our stateroom to get some much-needed rest before an early morning at CocoCay's Thrill Water Park.